I'm Rashmi Kumbhojkar. I'm working as a lead QA in university. It is going fantastic. Actually, when we signed up for it, we signed up because our manager, the ninja, told us to do so. And we were a little bit confused about servant and leadership as it talks about. It is a, sounds like an oxymoron. But yes, it is busting that understanding. And yeah, I'm pretty much clear about the idea of servant leadership now.
Great.
Yeah, there are many, but few that will remain with me are like integrity. So being kind to everyone every time, no matter what, is the key takeaway for me. And one more, what I felt about overall structure of the program is it is so much wisdom filled, and emotional healing is very important part because it also affects your emotional quotient, which is very important for a leader. Yeah, so definitely it will work. There are consequences, but the thing is, when we treat people nicely, they feel happy, and when they feel happy, they work very good. Like end result will be a good product. So yeah, it will definitely work in business. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.